second of rain.
Welcome back to Homework Genius. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do synthetic division. Synthetic division is a simplified method of dividing polynomials only when the divisor is in the form of x minus c. So instead of doing long division of polynomials, this may be your preferred method. So in this example, we are told to divide 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 5 by x minus 3. And we know the divisor in this case, the x minus 3, is in the form of x minus c. So it's a perfect candidate for synthetic division. So the dividend is labeled as 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 5, and the divisor, what you're dividing by, is the x minus 3. So if I refer to these terms in the future, you know which one is which. So normally if you're doing a long division problem of polynomials, you would write 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 5 under the bracket and the divisor on the left, x minus 3. But in synthetic division, the bracket is written upside down and you would only use the leading coefficient of each term. So we won't use any variables, so no x's in this case. Let me show you how we write that. We're going to write the bracket upside down, and we are only going to use those leading coefficients. So 2, negative 7, and in place of where an x would be here, it would be 0 because you have x cubed, x squared, then it would be x. So in this case, x is 0, and the 5. And we are dividing by just the c term in the divisor. So that would be 3 in this case. So there are 3 simple steps you would take. Step 1 is to multiply. And what we do is we multiply the divisor term by the first term in the dividend. So you have, in this case, 3 times 2, which equals 6. And we'll write it under the second term, under the negative 7 here. Step 2 is to add. You would take that negative 7 plus 6, negative 1. And now step 3, repeat. So now we will multiply 3 times negative 1, which is negative 3, and write it under the third term, this 0 over here. Step 2, add. So we add 0 plus negative 3, which is negative 3. And step 3, repeat. So now we have 3 times negative 3, which is negative 9, and we'll write it here in that next slot under the 5. Step 2, add. So 5 plus negative 9 equals negative 4. So now that we've gone through the row, we can go ahead and bring that leading 2 down over here. And these first 3 terms are our quotient. And the last term is considered our remainder. So now we can go ahead and pop those variables back in this case the x's. And we started with the dividend being in cubed form, that 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 5, and you would always just take out one x since we divided by 1x. So instead of cubed, now we're going to start with x squared, and we'll work down from there. So 2x squared minus 1x minus 3, and that is now our quotient. So to write the solution of a problem like this, we are going to write our quotient plus our remainder over the divisor. In this case, our quotient is 2x squared minus x minus 3 plus our remainder is negative 4 over our divisor, which is x minus 3. And that's our solution. And if you wanted to check if your answer is correct, all you would have to do is add that answer through. So that 2x squared minus x minus 3 plus negative 4 over x minus 3, if you add that through and solve, and you get the dividend, which in this case is 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 5, then you know your answer is correct. Here's the full problem so you can screenshot it for your notes. I hope this helped. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.